Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new exciting project called Astro Cash. Yeah, it's really one of a kind, I would say. And Astro Cash unites a futuristic payment system, music and Metaverse all in one token, okay? So as of right now, it is available on Presale Finance. It is on pre-sale, yeah guys. So the pre-sale will end in 20 hours and about 55 minutes. And you know, guys, there are always, every day, there are a lot of pre-sales going on Presale Finance and also on other platforms. But what's really interesting about this pre-sale is, you know, some projects are looking for 5 BNB, 10 BNB and so on, yeah. But some of them get just maybe 10% or 20% of what they were initially looking for, yeah. So they want, for example, 10 BNB, but they get just 2 at pre-sale. But this project, you look here, guys, they wanted to have 120 BNB, but they already have 158 BNB. So this could be a hint that this could be a really successful project in the future, because if there's already such a big interest in a project at pre-sale, this could be a good sign, okay? Yeah. Check it out on Presale Finance and let me show you guys what is going on here. What do they offer? So users will become partners with artists. Each artist will have a unique pool with a limited number of tokens where 30% guys of the artist's net income will be distributed proportionally among the partners, yeah? So you will not just be a fan or something, yeah? You will earn a certain percentage of the artist's income. I mean, that's really great, and I've never heard of something like this before. First project that offers something like this, guys, yeah? So next one, let me show you guys, Astro Cash. In addition to being an artist's partner, you can become a fan, but not just any fan, We at Astro Cash Streaming will pay you for listening to music, for giving likes. That is, you listen to that song that you like and you are rewarded for it. Not awesome? Guys, I would say that's really awesome. For example, imagine you really like a song, you listen to it, you like it, and you get paid for it. That's really great. I mean, I really like this concept and I like this idea. Really cool. I would say really cool, yeah? Don't be just a fan, be a VIP. And also, guys, I want to show you, they are KYC'd, yeah? They are KYC'd here on Authenticate, and they passed the audit, okay? Certificate of auditing, you can see they passed it. So let's go on here, guys, let's go on. There are two different levels of VIP. VIP Silver, a minimum of 100 tokens is deposited, then you are a VIP Silver. VIP Gold, minimum of 500 tokens deposited. If you are a VIP, then you will be, you will have access to special events and stuff like this, so really cool, yeah? And another great feature, Astro Cash Payment, yeah? They will have their own payment system, so to say. Looks also really cool, I would say, just from this here, I would say. AC Pay gives meaning to the sentence. The future is right there, yeah? The Metaverse has become real in AC Pay. A unique and totally innovative new payment technology will be implemented in this futuristic app. So they have really going on a lot, guys, yeah? So here you see the roadmap and the tokenomics. So 45% will be in the pool, 25.6% will be for rewards, 12.4% for booking, 4.5% for investors, and so on. As always, guys, I will put the links in the description. And what's also very interesting and important, I would say, you know, guys, there are many crypto projects that actually just want to take your cash and the team members hide, so that if they do something, let's say, bad, you don't know who is behind this project. But at this project, you can see all the people here, and you can also Google their names and so, yeah. And as you can see here, Ambassador Sylvia Abravanel, her father Her father is a billionaire, yeah, and he's the owner of one of the largest TV networks in Brazil, yeah. So what does this mean? I guess they have good access to marketing and they can make this project really big. So yes, this could really boom, I would say, okay? Yeah. What else? Yeah, here you see the partners, and then of course I can also show you, yeah, here's the white paper. You can read everything in detail here. The links will be in the description, and yeah, you can check all the details here. So guys, I would say this is a really interesting project, but of course guys, always before you invest your money, do your own research, and I'm just here to show those projects, and I would say it's really cool, really interesting, and I don't know of any project that offers the same features or so. It's really cool. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.